Hi guys, my name is Narek and today I'm starting the wrap on my BMW X4 M40i to Satin Black. So first I need to remove a few parts and getting everything prepped. So I will remove the front grille, badge, mirrors, moldings, door handles and spoiler. Let's get started. To take off this panel, you need to take off the handle. There are two screws. You can use these tools, this 20. And to screw the bottom side of the panel. Once you unscrew them, you can start prying panel off. After taking everything apart and washing the car, I go over whole body with clay, then I dry the car. So guys, we completed the wrap. We tinted all front lights in dark PPF. We also painted this both plastic in gloss black. We wrapped the grille in gloss black, wrapped this piece in gloss black and protected with clear PPF. So now car looks like this. and ready to the next step. We have a lot of work ahead, so make sure to follow to see what's coming next. Thank you everyone.